Hey YouTube, it's Ashley and I'm coming at you with another unboxing. I wasn't planning on doing this one today because I didn't even know it was coming. This is for a snack subscription called Nature Box. I've never gotten one of these before. I think it's $20 a month, but I think you can try your first trial for $2 and you get 4 single serving snacks and then a big then a whole pack. First it came in this box. It says Nature Box on it. We're joined by my little dude right here. This is my youngest. His name's Champion. Say hi, Champion. Say hi. So he's gonna be in my video with me today. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll get this unboxed. Okay. So it comes with a little card, and it says, only the tastiest, hottest quality ingredients. What is in your holiday snack pantry? A chance to win free snacks. One box, one meal. This company, they donate a meal to somebody every time a box is bought, and it's got a bunch of different snacks options in it. I think I picked 3 of my snacks, and I had them pick 2 of them. And like I said, I think it's $20 a month. I'm not sure. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and we'll see what we got, and we'll try it on camera. First up, we got these Nature Box watermelon fruit chews. Go ahead and try them and see what they taste like. And these little watermelon chews. Let's see. Those are really good. Tastes the watermelon, but it's like not really fake watermelon. It almost tastes like real watermelon. It's really good. I like those. I picked this one. This is one of the snacks I picked. Next is Lone Star Snack Mix. Barbecue flavored nut mix with multi-seed chips. I don't think I picked this one. I think this is one they picked for me. It's cool. I like barbecue, so we'll go ahead and we'll try this. Try this one also. Let's see, got a bunch of different little nuts and stuff. I guess it's the cashew. Little multi-grain breadcrumbs things. It's really good. I like barbecue. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, let's see. Next up we have looks like they gave me a bonus snack. That's pretty cool. This is Santa Fe corn sticks. I'm supposed to get 5, and it looks like they gave me 6. 6 snacks. Let me get that one open good. Nice little breadsticks. Tastes like salsa. It's really good. Okay, let's see. Next up, another barbecue. I picked this. They're sunflower. They're Southern barbecue sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. These are the kernels who done for these This tastes like potato chips, but they're a lot better for you than potato chips. And they're really good. I also like barbecue, so yeah, it works. Are you enjoying it? Let's see, these are blueberry num nums, mini blueberry flavored cookies. Oat cookies. And then these like oatmeal cookies. And they got blueberries on them. Also good. One? You try it? You try it? You try cookie? You eat that. He's enjoying the snacks also. And last we have Antioxidant Boost, a mix of dark chocolate, nuts, and dried fruit. Pecans, it like that. Much different nuts. Little dark chocolate pieces. No, I got me an extra snack. So instead of 5, I got 6. I'm just saying, pretty good deal for $20. Like it's all my other videos, I will and like I said, all my other videos, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. Check out their website and sign up if you want. Say bye.